Baby, shake it.
It was a bicycle and him turn it in a bike because me inspire him how to make bike. And here say him a carry one girl pan the bike when me inspire him to make. Me put me engine out and me organ in him bike.
Well, I said I'm chopping work coming hard, man. Anyway, people, welcome back to the channel. One Maggy Films and never two. And we are here with a brand new movie called Under My Rum. See? We're not going to full joy that one, but first and foremost, this is the people that were new to the channel. Big up on yourself. Welcome to the platform, right? This is a channel where we go the extra mile to ensure that you guys are well taken care of, well entertained, right? Yeah, man, and a joke thing, man. Take in the movie them on the platform if you think a joke. Scroll through, find all of the movie them and watch them, right? And remember now, subscribe. Alright? Big up on yourself. Take in a one. Get to the popcorn and drinks. Big up on yourself.
Why? I the Roma help me. I the Roma help me. Them say the rum no healthy, but I eat I help me. Hey. Me I feel laugh out loud. Me I feel laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rum from country. Them rum will let you lonely. Inna the road, they don't on the ground. The whole thinking dirty white rum. Me done the Appleton back from Senti. And the Kingston rum just attempt me. I want dege rum make me run. And I the thinking dirty white rum. Boodoo bam, boodoo bam, boodoo bam, boodoo bam. And the sound of me hear when him drop. Oh God. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. My friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Friend just drop off a rum tree. Say me feel bad. Say me feel bad. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf baf. I saw him drop. Hey, boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Oh, boodoo baf. Yo, dirty thinking white room. Oh. Me I feel laugh out loud. Me I feel laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rum from country. Them rum will let you lonely. Inna the road, they don't on the ground. The whole thinking dirty white rum.
Wait.
Yes.
Father, listen, go on.
Me there chill out, you know, and at school there.
Oh, man, tell him, my brother.
Yeah. Me actually cool out, you know. So where there you come from? So where there you come from?
You know, supper food boy, they had me a fault from, man.
So everything up there going.
Boy, it go on good enough, but you see, in the first half there, the band's dinner go on good enough.
Yeah.
So me have to take it. It's here from the board and show them how to deal it up there, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You understand me how to deal it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, yeah. For real.
So they are going to get some rest and...
No, you know, so upon the work me I go.
Yeah, well, they have to do your thing, you know? Because of the food set.
Yeah, man. Grace, you know something out of.
Yeah, man.
One thing in my woman, you know, you see? For my woman.
Yeah.
If me even stay out at night, she not have a problem with that, you know.
Yeah, you know, say out there on the chocolate.
On the chocolate, but true, she knows the food boy, I did me bonafide brethren.
You know, say your food that.
Right, no, and I remember side there, they had me come from, man.
You do your things still.
Yes.
You do your things.
So me I say, but there, man, I saw earlier start the morning.
Yeah, man, I just give me my vibe, you know, and give you lyrics, you know. So, you have to try it, you know, make you feel so nice and take off the stress off of you and feel good in yourself. Yeah. So you have to try it sometime, you know.
So you know, so I'm stress out more because nothing go on.
Yeah, sometimes I have to just take a drink, man.
So it help you?
Well, it help me some way when I have stress around me and I take a drink and feel better in myself.
Me not drink, you know.
Yeah.
Cause my old man always tell me, say, youth, don't take up this thing.
Yeah.
So I tell them, oh, you're stressed.
Yeah, man. Sometimes I just have to take a little stress off. I mean, I don't fight against me with it still, but you know,
Oh,
I have to take a drink sometimes.
I know, so for me, old man used to stress out himself and me used to see him drink them. So
Alright.
that's why.
Yeah.
So you know why I cure my stress then?
Well, I tell you, I have to take a drink sometime, but I just say go.
So which one this?
This,
Real nephew?
Yeah, real nephew. This.
Overproof.
Yeah, white rum.
Like, I have to take a one drink one at a time still, because you don't know a whole heap of pressure out upon you get a youth them, you know.
Yeah, man, enough pressure, man. And
Enough
sometimes
pressure.
I have to just take a stress off of you, you know?
Yeah, and look how, you know, so whole parum up there last night and all me do a smoke.
Yeah. Well,
Eh?
yeah, man.
And so much room up there last night, I'm going to take a one drink like that.
Yeah, but you better take a drink more. The smoking not too nice still, you know, with the rum. You can take a drink.
Boy, I never go, I never debate that one there with you, because if I go down the road, remember, you know, me will show you, say, smoking is good, but I go down the road.
Yes. Some man use that for ease the stress too,
Yes,
and
man.
the pain, you know.
I go down the road there with you, man. But you know what? You see, told me I go up on the work now, because I want a car for the hook.
Yeah.
I work for under down there.
Yeah.
I got the hook up that and say I can't let go down the out of the shop on.
What you mean, man?
Because the boss boy, the pressure in him, man.
Yeah. You have to
So you wanna look at more, you know.
Yeah, man.
Indian.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, respect, sir.
Alright, say yes, sir.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah. Wait! A nationalist.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Boss, one love.
Yeah, that one love, you know. I could never two love, you know.
But they are easy.
Yeah,
so
man.
Keep back are easy.
For real, you know. So you know, say, up a four boy there, the other and I come from.
Boy, you know something up there.
Is it up there?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see the eye.
Look, move early.
Oh. So you told me I have to take all the serious from the boy, man.
Yeah, man. Me see it.
The band's boy.
Yeah. And you know when I go on good.
Me have to show them how I deal with it.
That's right. Love what you do it.
So you told me they perform up there?
Yeah, good performance.
Yeah, man, cause remember, you know, man, we kind of stress one way, so we have to go work out the pain and something, you know?
Yeah. Because, boy, anybody that stress to walk one up there.
Yeah, cause close my virgin someone, me I tell them, man, believe me,
No
man.
pretty, no pretty, no
Pretty, man.
pretty. No pretty.
I never something I have to use to cure my stress, man.
Eh,
Yeah, man.
that can't cure chest, man, so it can cure ya. And this.
That,
Yeah, that's it, that and use this.
you know, drink them, no, man. That help you?
Yes, try this. No, man, where are you with that? That's no good. Show me a pound of my stress.
So yeah, so that help.
Yes, these are the best. For stress. That's not good for health, but this are good for health.
As me I say, my general, boy, whole political stress, money stress.
This is how we take off all the stress, all the money stress. All the stress is no problem, this is how we take off it. You see that now take off it?
Me feel like this a better, you know.
No, this. You want to try this?
Yeah, let me try one little thing to it now.
Alright, me I go for a cup.
Go on and come.
Come give you a drink. Me here?
Go on and fall.
Alright, me I come.
Two man in a one day tell me say, rum help you better. I must too.
Alright, see me get a cup here.
Let me try it, you know.
Try it. That's it me here.
A little bit, you know. I don't want the whole heap, you know. Because you're not on a chase upon. That's why you drink it.
I don't take, man.
Oh.
Just do a little bit.
Oh, no. You not gonna do me that, you know.
No, man, that not go nowhere. You want more? Let me give you more, man.
One little bit, man.
Ah, you see it now?
So you say, well, help me, sir.
Yes, when you drink it, tell me how you feel. If you don't feel like I say, your chest gone. Ah. you see it? You release the chest, so too.
That's all, man.
Right. So this year we work with dash with that. That's no good.
I'm out it, car.
You go smoke it back for your OT. If you dash it, know you don't know you're not going to smoke it back. Ah, yeah, me I tell you.
That's all, man.
This is dumb so man.
You know, say I have a pint.
Ah, yeah.
You have a quart.
Yes, man, see there. Whole quart, see there. Whole quart, see there.
No, you have more than a pint.
Yes, me a backer.
Because you see when time I sip it so.
Yeah.
Hold on. It's like it go up on my brain up so brother.
Comfortable. Yeah.
Comfortable me.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so from today I start drink this.
Yeah, man.
Watch out now. You know, say Lizard just tell me same thing, say, you better me drink rum. Lizard don't go so I have a style.
I try to tell you. I try to
I want a
tell you.
bigger man for me,
Yeah.
so half the show. So you want to know, see from today.
Yeah.
You see from today.
Yeah.
Big up
Yes,
yourself.
man.
So me I go on the
All
walk.
right. Tell me how you keep up with it.
Yeah.
Tell me when. Yes, man. Yes.
You want to know. Me I go on the walk.
All right,
You
guidance.
check it, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I tell you how it's going.
All right, sir.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
A real big man and a real out, you know.
Show, man.
Yes,
Every
man.
time, man. Every time.
Every time, man.
Every time. Every time. Yes, man.
Me I tell you someone a real big man, you know.
Every time.
I want to look up to in a place, you know.
Respect.
All right, yeah.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Every time.
Auntie Carol,
Yes, sir.
mommy in there.
Yeah.
All right, big her up.
Yeah.
Wow, a long time I should find this a solution. Yeah. Just a cigarette. Yeah, baby. So me I go up on the road and I know. So I can go on, you know.
Yeah, go on the road.
I'm sitting there, man. Oh, man, I'm wallet for now. So,
Come here. I want to talk to you. I really don't want to sit here, right? I don't want you follow up with drinking business, you know. I don't want you do a whole heap of drinking and follow Jake boyfriend name.
Jake, so you talk?
Yes. The bad company, them. I don't want you follow him. I mean, I don't know laughing thing.
Jake's a good man. You hear me I say? You see, baby, let me tell you something. You better me drink more than smoke. Because you want to smoke. Remember, your body is not a chimney, you know. So when you suck in a smoke, they go way down there, so. You left team down there and gear, so that's it. You see when you drink, rum come like a sanitizer. So when you eat food with bacteria upon it, you burn out it like an inside sanitizer. But good man.
And when I sit here, right, you cannot manage your drinking.
You can't manage it, man.
You, when you are drink,
Me drink what I can manage.
you drink what you can manage and not behave so when you drink.
Yeah, but sure, don't bother with it, man. You know what's I love it, man.
Everything you take for joke, I mean in a no joke thing.
Gracie, me
Rampus me in a no joke thing. Me no want you drink and follow your bad company friend.
Jake's on a bad company. Jake's on that's my virgin.
From you and him a parapet drinking business, yeah, you know.
No say so, man. Jake's on just my virgin, man. So, you hear me I say? Cookie food, the money, me left the money. Oh, sorry about that. Just cookie food and 2,000 I can cook dinner.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I go up on the road now.
But you need to tell me what you want. Or just cook something.
Just cook some chicken back soup, man.
Alright.
See?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so later here. Come on, no, you know I love you already, man. Later.
Rampus,
Eh?
me I warn you again. No bother with the drinking, you hear me tell you?
Gracie, you want me already. What time you want me, Gracie?
Me done talking
Tell
now.
you say better you drink a little alcohol than smoke. Sure, baby.
Alright,
Later.
have a good day.
Now go look something for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Who know you go feel?
Yeah, bigger boss, I go attempt to now, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, can you always ride down the place without knowing papers? You know, so them the thing they have to carry papers, you know. Yes, bigger boss. See my father, so me deal with it now. Alright, sir. think he might get to today?
Later, baby. Boy, Gracie, I can't make you take me from drink, Rumble. Ah, boy. Later, Gracie.
Yes sir. Pull over here sir. Pull over here sir.
I'm pedaling in, officer.
Me tell you if you pull over here sir and you reach up here sir. What you do? Give me papers them for your bike.
No paper, see bike.
What you mean no papers for your bike?
Bicycle, I mean.
What you mean bicycle? I not see a bike this is the pan sir. Come on for your bicycle man and park here sir.
Yeah, you say? Bicycle and a bike this a boss. I don't need you on a papers.
But you have engine pan it. You don't know if you convert it to that. You don't know if you have a bike.
Officer, pedal, me there pedal.
Give me papers them sir. Just give me papers them.
Officer, pedal, me there pedal in.
Pedal way. Boss man, just give me papers them. Because you know so we always watch you. At daytime when you come through and a rev through, you think we always watch you. I take this fire right now, you know, if you can't present the papers them, you know. Because it's a bike this here right, this is not a bicycle, you know.
Bossy, I sure know say when me a ride a forward a while ago. I pedal, you see me a pedal. You hear something still in them. I not gonna say nothing.
You hear the engine, I mean you rev it.
Yeah, me
But
not
so you see me now, you start to pedal it.
Yeah, but me not gonna say nothing, but me did a just me a pedal it. You understand me I say? Me in a rev nothing.
Alright, here we step away from the bike. Step away from the bike. Because you always drunk, you know. So here we go on now. I carry where I go carry in, you know. Because I soup call me, you know.
I mean so me always drunk, officer.
But you can't drunk on a ride bike. You will cause accident.
So you better you drunk more than I kill people and mess up
So
the
yeah,
boss.
so watch out.
Something there. You better you drunk more than
You have to do a birthday, you know. Come, blow it at this. Come know you're under your rum, you know. You always drunk, we always watch you.
So I'm T-tester, right tester, I'm T-tester.
Me not carry that with me now, but you have to just do this.
I like them and something, you know, brother.
You can't do something for yourself?
You can do a small favor, yes, a small thing.
How far you can swim in the sea?
No, we not do them things in the boss. Because we're not swimmers, you know.
Come, go through, because we will carry down this.
Man.
Boy, the one that can't go down, you know. You smell it, you know, smell like think rum. If this go down, they lock you up, you know. If soup will lock you up, you know.
Little bit of rum, this boss.
Why? What you say you can't do for yourself? Let me see it best for you, I can help you out. Because I carry down right now, you know. I soup tell myself to brutalize you, you know. Because anyhow, me did carry down the one day. I lock you, get locked up. Make sure you're not small here, pull up.
Alright, no worries, sir.
Officer. You carry down the one here and tell them you never drunk today.
Yes, boss.
So I get you to you now.
Yeah, man, respect, man. That's all.
I take if you take away, because every day you ride past junk, you know, and I make pain as a little whole piece of bike, you know. Should I take away from you, you know.
I told man.
But if you show you do good,
yeah.
so me I go, you know, yeah.
All of we are brother, you know, man. Remember say all of we are black people, you know.
Yeah, man, give me money, give me think you talk too much.
Alright, boss.
Next time you have to go do better.
Yeah, man, you see it.
Hurry up and go through.
Alright, my boy.
Before me change my mind. Hurry up and
Alright, my boy. Come pick up yourself, you know.
Go through, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, soap. Wait, so madman upon the pizza. The lady there always has a problem for the people in pizza. Alright, so me deal with you now, so. Boy, you know say no manners.
Sorry, man.
Give me a talk to bigger boss and you start. Hey, care back your bike come here, sir.
Sorry, my boss, man. Every day on the text set for a man. Oh, officer! Jesus and peace.
Damn boy won't stop drinking, a man. Look how he fly past the place, man.
Dope, you could have come tap me a while ago.
Tap one man, you idiot, man. I tell us if you love it, you drinking alone, you know, no fear thing in my youth. Look, from time you need to reach a work, my youth, how you there, man?
Dope. Let me tell you something, man. You see me? Me always early for my work. So if me late this morning, I must something dope.
You know, go and tell you.
You tell me about rum, look on them, eh?
Go and tell
now
you.
You think them, eh?
Oh, I find yesterday you left them there, so you don't come point no fingers for me, you know. You left them there, so you see that. That's why I tell you if you left the rum alone, you know. You see it though, you come and suck my point finger, you ever catch me a drink it.
Alright, dope, you're in,
man.
But you're so walk, so you wanna, which one more dangerous?
You can ever compare to my smoking.
No, you smoke, me drink. Which one more dangerous?
My smoking can affect my life. What about your drink?
Dope, let me tell you something. Me also study like some medical thing in a school, you know. Yes, when you drink, what it does is like any little germs down in you clear out it. So it's when you smoke, you smoke the first stain in a one now and go to one sitting in lung cancer. Tell me now, drinking ever gives people lung cancer?
Well, me nah go say me.
And I run man what you know. Boy, yeah. No old age kill them.
No.
Dope it up, tell I man.
No, me not tell no lie. When me and you up a brown dog 9-9, what you hear say happen to him? The drink and drunk and go right half over a bush over, so you never remember.
But that a right off. That a like when I get out of control and crash. I mean say like rum no kill nobody, give them no complication and then something there, brother.
We mean rum no kill the man was blind.
Yes, but the man run off a road and broke his neck.
And if he never did drink, or him get blind.
No, there's some unfortunate situation. You have to take your time, brother. It's like how me now. You see them a youth how them ride bike and a sub bike ride. Them a ride bike like so them a mad somebody.
And that you tell yourself. And that you really tell yourself.
And look here, them make you run and ride the bike.
Oi, last week.
You can't make you run control the dopey. Like how you make your smoking control you.
Me not there my work. Which one I will late? Which one I will late? And me or are you late?
I officer then tap me on our officer.
See a man there complained to me last week about you and your drinking and him tell me if you talk to you in a big man. Come now man. Bread man, we can't do this and every day I see him thing. Every day I see him thing. Imagine. But buy one helmet. And me tell you if you wear a helmet. You come here so without the helmet, don't
Yeah, but you're good.
And the helmet they right there so don't it?
Brother, we could start somewhere. Because right now you talk about this one now you do.
Yes. Remember saying Honda don't start out from last week and gone, you know. Such man may call you.
You call me, man.
So now I try to show you, man, so can we just get it?
You get what I money do?
No, you know.
Hush, baby, hush. Hush, man.
Boy, I tell you, say boy, Dope.
Yeah.
Up at one party that we go last night, boy.
Yeah.
The party terrible, you know, boy.
That you say?
Yeah. You see, you know want to come out of your bed go party, you know.
If you go do what?
Eh?
If you go do what?
Alana, you have control for your life, you know. Eh?
Well, it better if me there in my yard.
My man can't control my life, you know. Right now, down the yard right now. I be like me tell him.
Yeah. So me ask you a question now.
Eh?
When you tell all of them like this, and moms do find out one of them there. Remember, say me not come part no fight for you, you know. Remember that, you know, me not come part no fight.
Man.
You can't say me there one, you know.
Dope, you're too fool, yeah, man.
Fool, you call it. And me ask you a question. Which one of our relationship last longer? How much years me and mom's there yard for? Remember, say she knew, you know. Remember, say she knew. Him not the road long, you know. Alright. Remember, say me talk to you.
I'm sorry, I say nothing to you, because you saw no house rat.
Man, I try to give you knowledge and you come and tell man fool in the shadow years, man. What kind of stylist, man? That's why I don't talk to you more while about certain things, you know, man. You can't listen, you know. I better than now say I don't need your room, that's why you don't want it.
No, no need no rum, man.
Yeah, man, you know, go and hold it, man. Go and hold it, man. Just go and hold it.
No rum, man.
Remember, you know, so the police then take you off your bike. Don't say me they want in.
Alright, sir.
Don't say me they want you.
You with me?
Right.
So, boy, Dopey.
So, yo.
No, don't do that. Don't do that, Dopey. Hold on. Let me say something to you, Dopey. Hold on. Dopey. It's my money buy that in a Dopey.
And?
He's a trade man, Dopey, you know that. So, it's a,
And I'm your boss, don't.
so what we do? Don't drink me, you know, give me
And you're
the
there
vibes.
for my work, don't it? And my work you're there for them. Don't?
Alright.
You can't afford for you to do but nothing again. What you just do because
Yeah,
of rum.
You with me, boss?
This man, nah, as a matter of fact, come take up something like you feel like me, no joking with that, you know. If me catch a drink again for the work, you know, don't come back, you know, you can't say me later.
Alright. You win.
Every day I see him thing with this boy, man. Why this boy won't learn, man?
You win, boss.
Hush, baby. Hush. Hush, baby. Hush.
Oh, the woman, man. Bossy. I woman with the panty pan already, whole heap of panty pan already attack. Alright, me see her. Hello, miss, stand up. Hello. Come on, 5 people in property. Come on, 5 people in property. Move fast, man, move fast. Whole heap of complaint me I get boy, you know, man. Move fast. Mate, move fast, now. Go through, man. And I'm going next time I get a next phone call, boy. Because you little people in place. Lady, move now.
Alright, Mr. Officer. We are going to move. I feel your place.
Yes, bigger boss. You know, so really and truly, I've got to get the mental people and come take off the lady off the road door. Yeah, boss, because she get pay a problem. But just take her off a plaza, boss, so we don't have to do it right. Alright. Come round to the car. Come on for your property. Yeah, man, you're good, man. Alright.
Lick him on, man, make him on. Watch out. Come on from the TV, man.
From poster.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
Listen, hey, you see Russell now when I watch? That boy there, I look off it. The boy when name Chavanese Brown. I beat it.
Look what you do. See you put on the shirt wrong.
So baby man, you must have to read them sometime. So.
And you not appreciate me though.
No.
I'm here to take care of you.
You can't, that is like, you're not telling me the right thing what you have to tell me. You know? You make me feel bad. I appreciate you.
And you not listen to me, I'm tell you to stop drinking.
Look here, drinking is not nothing. Like, drinking is just a thing I give her like a vibe for work. Look how I take care of you, look how your ear is nice. Come on man. Look how your big flat.
See that y'all attack and me and smell the rum. I don't like that sitting there man, I don't like it.
That run from last night when one little something and I never told.
Anyways,
so you want to know, I go up on the road, you know, right? You want anything on the road?
Not really.
Alright, so later, yeah?
Alright, bills.
And cook the same thing like you cooked last night.
Alright.
That was nice. Yeah?
Alright, Rampus.
I'm not drink nothing more. I'm not drinking. Because you don't like what I'm drinking, baby.
Make sure.
Later, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, back on the road again. Brand new day. Boss said I'm not feel late, so. You know where I go anymore. How deal it, Brown done? Everything normal. I go up on the walk, my boy. Normal.
Watch baby.
What go on, uncle? Come in on the walk, you know? Park you by yourself, I know? Yeah. Come on, fight.
Nah, do yes.
Yeah. Boss, what are you dealing? How in there? What are you going with?
Good morning, sir, rum drinker. I see you come by your work early this morning.
Yeah, man, you're late, man.
Me late? You know, see me yard, me I come out.
But you're late. You don't normally catch up aside the work for a morning.
Man, worry yourself about that.
You this yesterday now. Oh, Peter. So you say now, where's you going now? Just.
Well, son off same way, man. You still have a few spots where me see like, you miss you sit there and me talk to your boy rum drinking. And it's like, I feel like a joke, man.
I see leg rum drinking. You notice, check my pocket. Yeah. You see no rum?
Smell it on your breath, though.
You see no rum?
Still smell it on your breath, sir.
You see no rum?
No matter what you want to try, show me still it on your breath. Anyway, watch out.
Work, man.
Yes, on the rubber face today.
No, because remember me tell you now. Come like a yard drinker, man. Remember me tell you, sir, round so me and deal it. And then today, you deal it round, sir.
Yeah, but
see?
Alright,
So-
come on. Come on, me show you something then, because you might feel like a Joe. Why go on there, so?
This one.
Why go on there, so?
Oh!
And even worse, you know?
I miss
Even
me,
worse.
Mr. Sir.
Come on, man.
I'm
Come
not
on,
can't
come
touch
on,
my cat so fast.
Come on, man. Come on, man. What is? Why all of this around here, sir? Swear me, I
You
show
know,
you.
so actually, I chatting. I chatting with you talking about Ray and Sata sitting about.
You see, you start first already. Let me tell you, you know. Tell us if you lick
Alright.
a young girl, let me know.
Bossy.
Yo, you should have found the man. Don't pack bar last night.
Man, me pass through, man, but
And you biting that down there?
me see her. Oh. Man, don't worry yourself, man. Me see her, man.
Yesterday, I tell you something. What you do? Cause your yard.
Exactly. Remember
Yes.
say, me live in a house with woman, you know. Me don't know where you live in a house with, but I know woman that. You understand me, I try to show you?
Yeah, me I say. You see my brethren and Jigsaw. I really youth. See?
Wherever I chat a business I road.
Well, you and Jigsaw link more while me get to understand, but I'm saying Jigsaw is my brethren more. You understand?
Tell yourself that.
Listen me. So, Jigsaw say, me and you if we forward up by the bar later, we're gonna have a drink. Jigsaw is interested for learn the trade, so we can reason right there.
Me and them man they got school and them man they never one day yet look upon me and tell me say they want to laugh. Them man they used to laugh after me at school, you know. Who a laugh now?
Then I will laugh last boss.
Alright, and I try to show you.
So so watch out, you don't know what say in the next 2 months from now, me a bigger trade man than you right now.
You know, go and tell yourself that, man.
Eh?
Go and tell
Remember
yourself
you know, you see, me not and I like me is now what you know. We only learn for Billy Cone, you know. I honey. So me is like bees.
Yeah.
So yes when me come here so don't bother feel like someone now watch a keenly what you do, you know.
Oh, you go watch me when you're under your influence. Every
No,
day
you
you
feel
drink.
me under influence. Everything where the boss, me can do that right now. All it is sitting the
But me
machine
nah
where
do
you
that.
use. You see all it sitting the machine where you use. The grey machine there, so. Me can use that.
And watch I know. Before you reach there, so my friend. Can't make the error still.
Them
Yeah, man, you feel what I try to show you?
that I least.
No, it can't be released because
That's
if
how it
a man come here today, remember we tell him man,
Eh.
one day what we supposed to start doing. Remember I say we tell him man say one day what we are doing. But you go early yesterday, my youth after me tell you.
Bossy, listen me man. We have to jaw what you work more while to make a money in the boss.
No, my youth, watch out, man, man new, you can't look on life so. That's why you not live long. You don't like
so-
things too fast. You understand me? Eat, look, eat long, my youth.
Yeah. But bossy, what that me I do? Watch out now. Yes, one thing you work on them thing. Look on this dirty sitting here. Wait, from 19 no longer than have it as a boss.
So no, so you send a message, my youth.
Yeah, but you can't do it now 1 day, 2 days. Like, you're Superman, you have to take on 1 4 weeks, do it.
No,
And make more money
man,
and fight
that
boss. And then me I try to tell you something more, boss, but you don't listen, bossy.
So hold on, me show you an experience. I understand what you try to say.
Yeah, more you overstand me, I say, me know you understand.
Alright.
Yeah.
But look on this side. Bartender, line up top more for me there.
Okay, alright.
Ooh. Bartender, line up something more for me there, yeah?
Okay, alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
That concrete house look nice though. So I want you look for something for yourself, you know.
Hold on.
So me want you look on something for yourself, man.
Concrete house can go party. What we go? See place how we say we go now.
Yeah, man.
See Jegs are there now. Jegs, how are you doing?
Nah, changing a life. Rum till the day you die, eh?
Jegs, see Jegs are there now, man.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Bossy, look here. You're suing, you're par with me and Jegs. Eh? Stop thinking about what you want to own in life and all that something there.
Oh no, me don't own already, you know. Are you me I try to forget better for you, you know, my friend. But I say me don't have you already, you know, my friend.
I'm big old house up there, so. You go like something, I'm a big old yeah! Jackson! Yo! See, General, man, this. Calm yourself, man. Hold on.
When know him?
So we can't stop me.
No, man. You don't bring them this from yourself. You can't spend your money.
But what I know, you see between the two of them, two messy things set right now. Man, them, I think of me have to go.
Yeah, mo.
What I know, don't come up so come look for me, because I'm in the garage tonight. See me a guy here to wife, you see me, you don't know the program setting. So, when I come a shop, don't come a shop, come and look for me. The yard me I come from, me understand me a charge.
Yeah.
So, we can't go and do nothing we talk. See?
Ah, boss.
Yes.
Like how you rolling?
Nah, man, just...
You see, I come over drink with the boss and you move.
But remember, say for me, you think different too. We don't live the same way, my friend.
But me I say, boss, you not to me catch a good eye move, boss.
But I try to show your business, you know, my friend. Come now, man. Understand now, man.
Go on, man.
Understand, man. I want ideas, them, you know.
Boss, your style, me, you know.
I know style, man. Just hold it,
Right,
man.
in my face, say I can buy something away.
Just hold it, man. Hold it, man. I know the style.
Say that's something make your money sound not jig nothing. You know, understand, you see ya? You see ya?
Time, my friend. Time.
Yeah, alright, man. Go on, bossy. Yo, I foolish boss, me ever work it.
Man. Cheap. No, you not paying the man.
Watch him, man. Yo, brother, yo, so you say now? Listen, I can't drink. This is like a sitting here, so.
No. Yo.
Hi, pretty lady. I go on today Friday now. That's when I see me step in there. I'm gonna learn your manners. Here? My Billy is here, okay?
Learn what? Manners?
Hey.
You know how much drink me buy yourself to try to get you want
to spend more than me, you say.
Where?
Feel like money, remember, you know. I trade work me do, you know.
You do trade work?
Auntie, line up a red starter for me, yeah? I start off a ball game there. Come.
Red stripe.
I'm going to show you who I man right after.
You red stripe here.
Come in, auntie. When I have a drink this now, I'm going to show you I'm dangerous.
Listen to me. Don't try to feel like you can test me now I'm drinking.
No worry yourself. Hey, remember now you bring me back my no wickeder than you know in a Jegs.
Yeah man, you wicked man.
Wickeder than you know.
Yeah, drink. You top drink. Drink.
Boss it for me now.
Buy out the whole bar.
Boss it for me now. I say you're beautiful, my friend.
Thank you.
You're a new lady on the block?
Yeah, man.
For real, man. Say never hear about me.
At first, me also never hear about you.
Take anything on.
I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready.
You're not ready yet? Yeah, me answer, right? Because you don't know who you are dealing with, you know. You know me? Eh? You know me? That's for you. Alone. I remember me not start drinking yet. You hear?
Alright, thanks.
You know who you are dealing with?
No, I don't know you.
You so know who you're dealing with.
I hear.
So, Jexo. You don't know what I say? Feel me, boss. After I tell the man, say, come, I could drink down here, so I have a drink.
You stingy.
So, me I say, woman can never tell me, say no. Say you know the man, you're the man going to school. Woman can never tell me that. I tell me, say, you want to trade it down my place. I make me go down there and tell the man, say, yo, One chair right down there.
Me no, me come to say me know him. I'm a classmate. How I problem?
You know, say the top drink come.
From his life.
Rum is life, yes, but you can't manage it.
Oh, me?
You know, say I sleep there, I say I sleep, man.
So
You me I say, yo. So you say we are go up a place, come on, wait. A two brand new go up there, brother.
talk to me.
A two brand new go up there. So what you say? Cause me have money, you know. If you don't have the money, me have money, you know. We can go up there, come, you know. After we go up there, go chill out, you can come back down and say, come drink something. You understand what I say?
Go.
Well, you know something up this place so you go shine. Shine!
Yeah, talking.
Yo!
Yeah.
Say brother. Me say.
Refill it up.
Yeah man, Browning. Line up something for my friend now.
What?
My special.
One special, yeah man. Yeah man.
White rum with bum.
White rum.
With bum.
With boom in it.
Don't dead it. Make sure you're alive with
First
rum.
boom done.
Me don't know who me now.
Okay, right. Hey, boom done in there, can't do it. Man must have union jugs on. So me I say now. You brown in up at the club there, right? Me, I got ensure say you lock one and me lock one.
You have money.
Some money there, so better you know, say
You
boss
see,
pay me. You don't say boss pay me.
And you can't rum if you can't drink at the
No, me
people.
have room from when. But you know, me now go disrespect a lady place and come here come drink rum when me get out there to buy. Me I come here so come purchase more
Drink
at
what?
a cost of my pocket.
Drink, not top drink.
Oh, dear man.
No touching.
Check so. I will run the town, you know. Rum is life.
And without rum, there's no woman.
No woman at all. Without rum, you can't find not one single woman out there.
Can you see all that big fat one there?
No, don't call her fat, brother. You feel the same, so.
No, me like them so fluffy then.
Fluffy.
You see that fluffy there in there? You see later when this bar lock up, me I give her 2 in the GM there. Me not go no further than the GM. Yeah. Right, fluffy.
Don't follow me now. Don't come on, man.
No.
Hey, my friend. I saw you run joke and just have a look at drink, have a look at vibes, you know?
How we gotta tell fluffy?
You can't get that. You know, so you're ugly. You can't.
No, watch your face.
can't get that.
What in the pants no ugly do? No watch your face. When she see it, she a go like it.
Yo, you want me to do?
She a go like it.
You want me to do?
Right, Fluffy?
I talk about.
You know me I talk about, man. Just say knocky.
Browning, let me clear off a bit. Let me clear off a bill and come back.
You get it?
How much I say more you know, my friend?
Alright, 350 and 250.
Yeah.
And 600.
600. Come on.
He said if you take something instead,
Yeah.
we already get still.
So take anything, no man.
Take a backla rum there, Fluffy. A backla
900.
rum.
900.
Yeah.
900.
A backla rum, you idiot.
Alright, hold on this side.
Alright.
Oh, you're full, sir. Eh? What kind of bartender you be?
So later, here.
Alright.
When man come back and tell us to take anything you want to take up.
Hey, how my beer there?
Feed yourself.
See? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to left it.
So later, yeah, my friend.
Alright.
Yeah. Hey, so me I go up, go ready. We go up so they come out. Make sure say you did that. Sharp, you know.
Yeah, man, you see me. Fluffy. You know, you're damn idiot. When you then take a backla rum or a flask, let me get some out of it. You know what I say?
Me I go pass through.
Oh, you there?
You buy her something already. So,
You're there? I think you're gone.
listen, me now. Yo, make sure say you early for up at the club to come over we are going.
Anyway, rum there, me dead.
Alright. I remember me have money, you know. Money can't done.
Right.
Promise?
Life. When you get paid, you drink it out.
Drink it out.
Don't bring one none.
None. Rum is ladies. Rum is life. Rum is everything.
Right. Make sure you drink it out.
They come over here, sir.
Yeah. Fluffy back to you. Give me change. Remember it. Back to you again now.
Yo, nobody late in sir. Play the come on.
Me good man, don't worry about that. The good.
Come on, my girl, them pretty and nice up at the club there.
Anyway, rum and woman there.
We dead there.
Dead there.
One Jackson, you know.
Right, no patience.
One Rampus, you know. What my name? Rampus. Don't play me, you know.
Puss, yeah.
Don't play with me, you know.
We don't care what we want to pay, we left it at
Look,
the
come
bar.
Look, come on.
Yeah, and the club. I'll check you later. Give me the change.
Yes, sir. Wanna know me? Wanna know my boy? Wanna know my boy? Yes, sir. Yes, baby.
I would have Rampus.
Then I could have I could have ram dog. I could never ram dog.
What?
Cause any dog me catch ya, mince up.
Rampus. How much time me talk to you? You come in with beer bottle again. You can't cut out. You can't drink water.
Baby. So you mean to say I and I work so hard that I can't have a one dege beer? Me not even drink no rum. Me not even drink no rum.
Rampus, today is Friday. But where money there? Give me money.
The money?
Yeah, come in when you drink out the whole of money. No food, right now food in the house done.
Remember, so me and Jigsaw go up on the road like morning.
That's why you have to give me money. Yeah man, give me all of money man.
Then I'm not going to give you babes. But remember, you know, me and Jigsaw go up so go have a one more drink like more. One dege more drink, right? Me give you money, you know. But me not going to give you everything, right?
Rambos, you know see a fool you take me for door? See you prefer your friend over me and you, like you prefer me and you if you get up every day a cuss but you drinking?
Baby, me no love money, no. That me I tell you, no. But you have to know me love you, no. But you have to know, say sometimes you have to enjoy yourself because all right now play me Jack or Doll, what? Eh? You saw Jack Doll? Me no want Doll because I want me Doll, I want to see one see me Doll. You understand? Me want to swing like a catapult.
Give me money.
You understand? And I slide through like a boat hull.
What is?
Eh? Oh, you don't know what I say? That's what I tell you, son. I learn the trade now. I got left hand about the foot, you know. I start the trade work myself now. I them a little bit of money boy I give me.
You could love rum bill out there, make you give me this.
No, I'm not rum bill out there. I'm not rum bill out there. I them a little bit of money there boy I give me. I soon left on the foot. Come, baby, me catch you all I trade. So, you see right now, millions me I go make, you know. Just when I start the trade work myself, I can tell them boy that goodbye. So you say you, anything you want, car, house, I mean like wall house, because we are going to sell this. If you need Bimmer, Benz, change the hairstyle every week, change the nails every week, remember you know, man, a car with Duke, a car with spray. See? I'm going to catch a trade baby. So don't hold yourself. Okay? I go as aggressive man.
Hey, you see me never believe in you.
Sure.
And see little potential in you. Me gone left you know.
I told man.
Me gone left you because right now me not even believe you say
that the boy give me man. But me now why him because you want him eye look on you have all one sitting up there one shine sitting. When you use a spray car like after you put on the first coat on it. One shine sitting when go to I go like you know want teach me how to use it but this one I use it. I pray him say no, see me. And I pray me now. So I learn it. I am not know so I learn it. You see me I say? Know yourself, man. You know. You all have a shop, because I'm going to go back on the road now. Jigs are wait for me on the road, yeah?
Every time you call your friend name, me come like it does get me spirit cross.
Alright, I never that say Jigs though. I see who come now, man. I wash up. Line up, hot up the food for me.
Let me tell you, check so.
Baby, later, yeah?
Alright.
Have everything.
Woo! You not left for me?
I just a little tip, man. Remember, you know, I just had one drink, dega drink, me tell you, right? So, later, yeah? How me look?
Alright, you look good, man. You look good.
Alright, later.
Alright. Mwah.
Touch the road. Later, my baby. Fresh out and nice. Sure. Yo. Jagza. I text along friends iPhone out. Yeah. So we are forward now. Up at the club, right? The girl them come already? The pretty one them? Alright. No, you not gonna get the pretty one, you know. Well on, I can't talk too loud, you know. My mom's over yard. And me I get the pretty one, you know, brother. Just watch and see Jagza boy. Alright, me a forward now. See? Yeah. Yeah. Up in on the club. Me a go now.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
Boy.
Yes, this is one.
You know, come on with me.
Right now, baby.
Sure.
A beautiful, you know.
You ready?
What do you mean if I'm ready? Could I not ready? I'm a drink Magnum, I'm a drink Jerry and nephew.
Are you ready?
Eh?
Ready.
What do you mean if I'm ready more than ready?
So come now.
Ready? Yeah, for
Vehicle.
some skate right here, baby. Ready?
Alright, I'm ready.
Yo, Jagza.
Tell me about this salon here?
Look, come on here, you lose out and race, you know. Come out as a baby. Look, come on. I'm born with the browning, you know. Say it, browning. You lose, boy.
When me ask you, me want more.
Me better you lose. Come on, bro. Come on, put the browning.
Which one me I go back here, sir?
No, me I go put it right, sir.
Go in that place, go home.
And I creep me I go?
Come on, my baby.
Yeah, come.
Look, come on, Texas. Here we go now. You see us a gas tank?
Mm-hmm.
So you know you can't hold on yourself.
So we have push it.
No, left or right, that's on them. No go down in your yard.
I
baby.
push it.
Go on. No, you go on in front of me now.
Come, so lead
Right,
on.
that's where I go.
Alright, come.
See?
You for your pockets?
Huh?
Yes, sir?
Right.
Up there, sir.
Jeez.
Okay.
Woo. Oh my gosh. Baby.
Oh, that's so you stop fast, man.
So where you say you live up there, sir?
Yeah, we thought that under there.
Come on.
Come with my hand. Yes, my love, we're not hiding anything.
Oh gosh, baby.
spin tail.
Beautifully, man.
Yeah.
Woo. So what's
Come
the
make
name?
you walk the way, you're Venetian.
Venetian.
Yeah.
Jackson, look, come on. Jesus. That is good enough, man.
All the time.
How would this call my phone now, man? That you can call me for dog. Let's see what I go on. Yo, my G.
What go on, mechanic? Why, I want to get a joke. You don't know who your boy just gone with.
That's who? But bro, you can't do that. You can't call my phone drugs and you not tell me who my you. Them something they not add up.
No worry, head, man. Soon, you soon know, you soon find out. I can't tell you now. Bye-bye, I don't love mix up. I love too much mix up. Enjoy yourself. Hey. Bye. Woo. Oh, then we can go. You come and boss for me, go on. Go on home, you so where I go get. Yep. Oh, yeah. What's that?
Where you there?
Where I go? 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 It is nice.
How sure me go?
It's nice, you know. I want more. Around 4 more I go this time. And 3 round you give me is a wicked man. He's a wicked man. I want round 4. You don't give me round 3.
Yeah, man. We're up on the front line, man. You sleep on the road when you pass, man.
Round 4.
Yeah, man, yeah. Yo. Some strange things are going on in the yard here, you know. No one break just up on the road, I ride with jazz in my back pocket, man. Stop here, you ain't come from the church. Jamaica no one real place, you know. All this something going on. Yeah, man, yeah, me up on the road, man. Me up on the road, you may wait for man. Ah. Rod. Jesus.
This is what dirty rum can do. Yo, I don't want no more for drink. Dirty rum. Rum and no life. Baby. Gracie.
What happened? Yeah, look for Rampus. You know Rampus?
Yeah, me know Rampus. We look for Rampus for.
I'm a man. I'm a man in a real life.
The man. So Rampus is really mad for them with one mad man.
Are you mama?
Mary, go on. You don't smell good at all. Go on.
Are you mad?
Go on. Go on no. You don't smell good. Lord God. Jesus Christ.
What another affair, yeah?
This that woman that frowns the bad. Jesus.
Happy night.
Yeah, girl. I stand up on my gate and wait for the ice cream truck for pass. Come in the house and hear. You know, look nice what they always make, but I don't know no pass yet. There, girl, I go and take a rough life easy, you know? No, so I don't know when I come in the town yet. Me make you know still, me call you and something. Yeah? Hey, alright. It's an ice cream truck at the moment. I don't want that.
You know Rampus?
Yeah, I'm a man now.
Rampus, thief me draws. Rampus is my man. Huh?
Rampus is my man. What do you mean by Rampus is your man?
Rampus are my man. Rampus thief me draws. And I me draws me I look for and me I look for Rampus. So once me find Rampus, me will find me draws. So if you know Rampus, tell me and stop trick me. Say Rampus are your man. Rampus can't have two women. Rampus have one woman. And that is me. Me. Rampus is for me man. And if a trick you trick me, say Rampus are your man. Give me what me draws. That means Rampus thief me draws and come give you.
Mary, remember say, you know, so my Rampus could do so mad if you lie down with something. Oh! Mary, Go on back where you come from. Because me don't know where you come from. I can't talk about my rampus. Live down with you. Somebody like you. And me like idiot turn up and start arguing with your mad. Then me not mad too.
Are you mad? You mad? Not me.
Mary, excuse me gate.
I just say you live.
Over there so me live.
So I just saw Rampus there.
Rampus not there here right now.
Let me see drawers where you have on because me want me drawers. Rampus thief me drawers. Me and Rampus sleep. And Rampus thief me drawers. Me miss me drawers. Me they look for from morning. Me want it.
Mary, stop walk and spread propaganda upon Rampus. What? I'm a reputation you want mash up? Rampus not sleep with you. Stop it. You did low. A man you want some, Mary?
Why you thief me man? Why you thief me man?
Alright.
Mary, what you want money? Money you want?
No. Me want me man and me drawers.
Me man not have your jaws, Mary.
So you are sick is up.
Rampus!
Me know the sound of that bike and that bike is my man one. It was a bicycle and him turn it in a bike because me inspire him how to make bike. And here say him a carry one girl pan the bike when me inspire him to make. Me put me engine out and me organ in him bike. That's why sound so and they go so fast where they do with me man. Me want me man. And me come for me man. Let me tell you how me meet Rampus. I went to class. We was in grade 9. I met Rampus. And the teacher asked me if I want to do subject and I said yes. What kind of subject? I said tech man. And the teacher give me a certificate for my man and you no got no degree for me man. Me have distinguished certificate for me man. So leave me man alone. I go and trail my man. And if I see you pass this gate, I go and start watch this gate. Since as I over here, so you they keep me man. And every time a man left from me yard, me miss a drawers, I am coming back. Me I go look for me man. There's a drawers thief.
Then Rampus really go sleep with Mad Mary. So
Rampus! Rampus!
Maggy Films. Maggy.
Why? I the Roma help me. I the Roma help me. Them say the rum no healthy, but I eat help me. Hey. Me I feel laugh out loud. Me I feel laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me, I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rum from country. Them rum will let you lonely. Inna the road, they dump on the ground. The whole thinking dirty white rum. Me done the Appleton back to France Senti. And the Kingston rum just attempt me. I want dege rum make me run. And I the thinking dirty white rum. Boodoo bam, boodoo bam, boodoo bam, boodoo bam. And the sound of me hear when him drop. Oh God. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Oh. My friend just drop off a rum tree. Say my friend just drop off a rum tree. Friend just drop off a rum tree. Say me feel bad. Say me feel bad. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Boodoo baf baf. I saw him drop. Hey, boodoo baf. Boodoo baf. Oh, boodoo baf. Yo, dirty thinking white room. Oh, boodoo baf. Me I feel laugh out loud. Me have to laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Me feel laugh out loud. Cause my friend just chop off a rum tree. Me say my friend just chop off a rum tree. Me say me feel bad. Me say me feel bad. To him drop me, I tell us me feel bad. No play with them rummer from country. Them rummer will let you lonely. Inna the road, they don't panic ground. The whole thinking dirty white rum.
Under my rum. Under my rum. Under my rum. Maggy Films.
Under my rum, man. Ah, more rum. Ah, right, boy. Under my rum. See, big up on yourself, huh?
See you here. One Maggy Films.
Yeah.
Never two.
One family these days.
Yeah, man. I tell us, say they don't go enjoy it. You think I did joke me I make? You think I did joke me I make? Subscribe now, man. See it there? Right down I say there, man. Press the button and free, man. See? So anyway, you see that channel, I always a shout out that channel. I'm big gonna subscribe to that channel too. It is Dr. Jevan Samuels podcast, right? In office with Dr. Jevan Samuels, right? See it up on the screen. Subscribe. Big up on yourself, right? I'm out.